Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do a male to female transformation with everything, the whole gig, with titties, ass, face, lash. So get ready. Okay, if you're 21, let's go grab a drink. Then I'll meet you in the restroom so we can shave and do all them good stuff. Okay, girl, I got you. You gonna get that man of your dreams, that tranny chaser. Just follow this quick tutorial and let's get started. So if y'all have a beard, y'all gotta get rid of that. So I just go with this little machine to do your shape up. And after that, I just go with a razor and I go with some shape cream and shave all that, my little mustache, and then hop in the shower. And I also do this with my legs. We're trying to make it a fast video because like sugar daddy, like he's about to call you, so this is like a fast fucking tutorial. So I'm just using like a moisturizer cream. I'm running out, oh my god, really fast. It takes me the longest literally is fucking eyebrows, but I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and the color chocolate. And then I just dive right in, bitch. Like right there. Right there. Fill in where you have like spaces. And we don't have time because daddy's about to call us. So we gotta prove to him that we're real and we're not using fake pictures. Literally, that's why I'm doing my makeup, because this like sugar daddy, not sugar daddy, but like tranny chaser, like he knows that I dress up or whatever, but like he wants to call me just to make sure I think I'm a real woman and I'm just taking girls' pictures. But that's fucking me, what the fuck? Oh my god, this is a better angle. We're gonna put the NYX Prove It, and we're gonna grab our trusty Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just gonna grab the first two colors. So put that all over your eye. Oh my god, I forgot to put fucking tape on it. Guys, I put my little tape on. We're gonna go back with the for one. There you go. Tap the axis. I have my tape. So now we're gonna put this in the motherfucking crease. Brick color. This one is calling out my name. And that one is gonna go like right there in the outer corner. The Fenty Beauty, the Trophy Wife, looks so pretty on the eyes. Trophy Wife on the eyes. I put on my lashes. I put a wing liner and called it a day. Full motherfucking coverage. The Maybelline Fit Me and the Revlon Color Stay. I'm running out of this one. Oh my god. I use these two because, oh my god, he's already texting me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah. So just put it all over your motherfucking skin. Foundation is mixed. Now I'm using a concealer right there and right there, everywhere. Girl. So just blend that shit really good. Just like that. After that, I like to go with pressed powder and then a loose powder. That you blend like there's no motherfucking tomorrow, girl. For loose powder, I'm taking the RCMA. Girl, yes. Look, we're starting to come together. And we're gonna highlight news. Yes, honey. Yes, Kylie. For lips, I'm using the Nicki Minaj. It's so pretty, guys. Okay, let's do this boob tutorial. I'm grabbing the Kim Kardashian cream contour. The shape of your natural chest. Blend. A bronze color, and see how motherfucking beautiful my titties are starting to look? This is the complete motherfucking look. But anyways, like daddy's gonna call, like he's gonna call, and my boobs are right, my hair is right, my makeup looks right. All you gotta do is like talk to him and engage and flirt. Be like, just talk to him, get that date. But anyways, you guys, give it a like. Let me know if we like this look. Okay, you guys, anyways, bye. Mwah, it was fun getting ready with y'all. And if y'all drink one for me. Ooh, and remember, guys, fuck the hate. You do you, boo. Mwah.